Hello, I'm Yogita. Welcome you all to this learning session. Our subject is psychiatry nursing, and today we are going to study about a therapy that is psychodrama. Okay, now a psychodrama is a specialized type of group therapy. It is also known as experimental form of therapy. Here, scientific exploration of truth can be done in a dramatic approach. That's what can be taught to the patient. Now, in psychodrama, exactly what to be done. In psychodrama, patient is performing the activity or he is playing a role of actor of real life situation in a less threatening atmosphere. Maybe in real life, that situation may be in a worsen environment. The condition will be very bad. But here we are training a person to perform that role of his real life situation. That's what called psychodrama. Now, when we do this psychodrama, the main goal of psychodrama is to resolve the personal conflicts of a patient in a less threatening environment, reduce the stress and anxiety, provide much more mental relaxation and mental stamina to the patient, increase the self confidence and self respect of a patient. Now, how many members can be in a psychodrama group therapy? Now, here 8 to 12 members, minimum 8 or maximum 12 members can be in a psychodrama. And like how long we can do? We can do this session from 90 minutes to 2 hours. Maximum 2 hours. 90 minutes to 2 hours we can have this psychodrama session. Now, what's the main advantage or purpose of doing this psychodrama? Definitely, it will help the patient to ventilate his pent up emotions. It helps the patient to verbalize. It give a self confidence to the patient to face the real life situation. Like example, now person you think that person is having like very low self confidence. He is not able to face the interview at all. Okay, he may be very smart enough, hardworking, but unfortunately, his poor performance at work, because of that, he is not getting a job. So now here we are giving a psychodrama. We are using this technique, and we are creating a setup where person is playing this role of interviewer. Okay, he's an interview now. He is going to give an interview now. So in this drama, like there will be an interviewer, like owner, one who is taking the interview of this candidate, and now that candidate role is played by a patient. So now this will give the confidence to the patient that yes, he can do here. Once he do this activity here, then in real life situation also he can face that interview challenge. This was simple example what I said. That's the reason to improve resolve, sometimes to resolve the conflicts. They may have mental conflicts, family conflicts. To resolve that also the psychodrama will help us out. Now the phases of a psychodrama, we can see a psychodrama can be done in 3 phases: a warm up phase, the acting phase, and sharing phase. In a warm up phase, a person is like getting ready to do the things. He is getting like familiar with the settings, understanding the others. He is developing a trust and therapeutic relationship, as well as he is feeling that the environment where he is working is less threatening. It's not going to harm him. So all these things can be happen in this warm up phase. And in acting out phase, where person is prepared to take up the role, and he is taking that role of that actor and he is presenting that role, he is facing the challenges, he is get involved in the activity and he is doing it, he is facing that challenge. Then the last is what I said, yeah, sharing phase. In sharing phase, definitely they are sharing their experience, their pursuit, that they are able to face the challenges of life. They are able to act out. They are able to pursue that the life challenges. They are able to face. They are developing a self confidence, self respect, self esteem, and these all perception they can share with others. So this is how we are making a psychodrama. Okay, psychodrama is one of the group therapy which we can use for a patient. Okay, so we discussed about psychodrama. Very simple. I hope you understood. Psychodrama is nothing but we are acting out. We are making the patient to play a role of actor. He is acting on a real life situation in a less threatening atmosphere. Definitely, the goal is to resolve the personal conflicts in a less threatening atmosphere. And the main phases what we discussed is warm up phase, acting phase, and sharing phase. I hope you understood. Take care of yourself. I'll see you in next class. Bye. Thank you.